Are you having trouble running certain applications or virtual machine software like VirtualBox or VMware on your Windows 11 system? The culprit might be Hyper-V. Hyper-V is Microsoft's built-in virtualization platform, and while it's incredibly powerful, sometimes you need to disable it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn off Hyper-V in Windows 11. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand what Hyper-V is. Hyper-V allows you to create and run virtual machines on your computer. However, if you're trying to use third-party virtualization software, Hyper-V can cause conflicts. That's why you might need to disable it. Click on the search icon in the taskbar and type Turn Windows Features on or off, then click on it. In the Windows Features window, look for Hyper-V in the list, uncheck the box next to Hyper-V, click OK, and then restart your computer when prompted. Also, disable the virtual machine platform. And that's it. Hyper-V will be disabled once your computer restarts. If you continue to experience issues with other hypervisors, consider disabling 3 Hyper-V-related features: DeviceGuard, CredentialGuard, and memory isolation. These features can be disabled using the registry editor, a powerful tool that requires careful handling. Follow the steps precisely, as incorrect modifications to registry values can potentially cause serious issues with your Windows system. Paste the address into the search bar and hit Enter. Right-click on the screen, choose New DWORD 32-bit value, and give it the name Enable Virtualization-Based Security. Double-click on the new DWORD value you just created, set its value data to 0, and click on the OK button. Next, enter the following address into the search bar and hit the Enter key. Create a new DWORD value and name it. You can disable CredentialGuard by setting the value to 0. Finally, paste the following address into the search bar and hit Enter. Change the value data of the enabled DWORD from 1 to 0 to disable memory isolation. These 3 features are designed to protect your PC from malware, so they should only be disabled as a last resort if you continue to encounter the same issues with other hypervisors even after turning off Hyper-V. And that's it. Disabling Hyper-V in Windows 11 is straightforward and can resolve compatibility issues with certain applications. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.